Hello and a warm welcome to another operator video. In this video today we're presenting how to using the grid playback of the ManagementCenter. Grid playback is a nice functionality if you want to make a research over a couple of cameras in your layout. How to start that? There is in the lower left corner a symbol. You can click on it that it's a map view, or you make directly the right mouse click and get to the selector and start the grid playback. In the grid playback you have always one focus window, that is the one on the top, and the other playback videos will follow the time which is selected on the focus window. In this scenario we see here the focus camera is on 8 and 2 minutes, and all the others had at exactly the same second also an event. If that will be not the case, then the camera will show the difference between the next event. So let us choose here with the date and time selector an event in the past to see how that functionality will work. After I have selected the date and time, the focus camera will be selecting that time and the other cameras will follow. And you see the two other cameras has also at that time a kind of event. And now you see me who's crossing my backyard. And the question is, did I get now around the corner to see me on the left lower camera, or did I come back? So we don't know that exactly, and so let us make an analyze. We recognize the camera on the next corner will say in some seconds there will be an event, but that could be also a car who's driving by. Nevertheless, we will play back the focus camera to see if I will coming back on the focus camera or did I appearing on my garage camera, which is around the corner. So I stop here sometimes in between, that you see also if the other camera will show me that I will appear there or there is an event nearby. But you see suddenly I came back on the same way I was disappearing on my backyard camera. So that means maybe on a later date or later time I getting around the corner and then I will appear on my garage camera. So I'm choosing another date, time to demonstrate that. With a click on the focus camera, you can always get a full screen, to see more the details. That's always possible. So now I have to select in 8:57, and let us play back to see. Normally I should be appearing at this time. Let me see if I really appear. And the saying I will appear in the right upper corner of the focus camera over here in a few seconds. Of course I did the playback before to see what was the events in the past. Yeah, you see I'm appearing here. I'm going now backwards, and let us stop it, and then you recognize the corner camera, the garage camera will tell me a few seconds later she will have an event. So let us play until I disappearing around the corner on the focus camera of my backyard. And then of course it's some meters before I reaching the street, and I will stop it here to see if that really will be the case. And then I take the garage camera, put that camera in the focus, and then the whole system will adjusting to that date and time. And if I play back now from the same time position, you will see in a few seconds that I will appear on that camera, because I was going on my backyard and then around the corner and going in direction of the street. I have choosing now the left direction. If I have choosing the right direction, then I would be also appearing on my door station camera. So I hope you got an understanding how that functionality will work for that search. And of course you have also the classical export functionalities with the grid playback. After you have detected one of the events, you can choose in here the export button to say I like to export that in MXG or in MP4, MKV. Please keep in mind you need a starter license. Yeah? You can also using the flags on the left and right side, or you can using the export by pressing plus. Yeah? Then you're getting the event of the focus window. Yeah? And with the right mouse click on the export list, you can also adjust the date and time, the range, what you like to export it. Yeah? That's all the different possibilities to exporting the video footage from the Management Center. In general, you have seen this is not a synchronous playback of the videos. It's orientating on the focus image, and the focus image always gives the date and time where the other cameras, let us say the slave cameras, will be make the time position if they got an event at this date and time when you stop the playback. And then you can orientate which camera should be then for the next playback in the focus window to find the specific event where I'm looking for. Thank you very much for your time, and I wish you a wonderful day.